and welcome to our new video series called Viral Threads. It's going to be a daily update on new products, sales, demos, how-tos, and we promise to keep it short. Our first feature is a local fabric designer. She designs pins, greeting cards, all sorts of fun stuff, and her new adventure is a pattern creator. So meet Henry the Pinata, developed by Kirkland. Her company name is called Kelly Renay, and we absolutely love her stuff. So this is her newest, Henry the Pinata. We have patterns available, and those are $12. We also have a kit. There's limited quantities of these. It includes everything you need for the top, including the background fabric and the pattern, and these are $59.99. So if you would like either one of these, please click the link below, and we are offering curbside delivery here in San Antonio between 10 and 2, or we can ship them to you. So please visit our new online store and support your local quilt shops and designers. Stay healthy, wash your hands, and we miss you guys.